Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial. So guys, let's see how we can achieve this design on pixellab right now guys, using our smartphone. Let's pass into it guys right now. So first thing, I need to hide this. We need it like that, and then let's create a color gradient shape. So you come to gradient. So let's create our own shape. So this is the shape I've already created. So I want you guys to just copy the color code. See the color code there. See it here. You can copy it, click OK, and then see this one. Yeah, you can copy the color code here. This that one that start with hashtag. Alright, so that's okay. So click on OK, OK, and then we're good to go. Let's see. So first thing we need to do is to bring out to import the image, the f1. And so this is, so I'm reducing the size a little bit. Drag it here, do the size again. Yeah. So to check something, we need to make sure everything is given. Trying to bring it down a little bit. Yeah, so we're good to go. Let me lock it, and then let's create a shape. Increase the radius to 100% like we do it usually. Minus the opacity. So we're increasing the stroke to 40, and then we're blurring it. We blur it to 25. So we drag this up here to cover the cycle. So you increase the size, we get the blurry effect here. You bring it here up here. Increase the size. Yeah, so we're taking it to back, we don't want it to disturb everything, so we're taking it to back. So you position it well, and then you lock it. Okay, after this, what we need to create again is we need to copy this shape again. Since we have created it already, we just copy it, then we drag it here, drag it here. Yeah, and then you click on take to back. We should position it on the back, and then you copy it again. You drag this one here. So particularly we're increasing this one size. So if you're not satisfied with it, you can copy it and then you drag it down here again. Yeah, so I think that's okay. So we need to lock everything here. Alright, so after that we need to write f1. Sorry. So click on or turn it to capital letter. So you drag this there, increase the size, increase the size again. So let's change the font to Sino. Yeah, so this is the name of this font, Sino. Click on OK, and then you drag this here. So when we increase it, you see that we have a blank that is kind of disturbing the design. So you know, make our design look nice. So you go to spacing, line spacing, and then you minus it up here so that you can drag it. Can you see that? Click on so click on OK, and then we're taking it to back. Position it at the back, but not too much at the back. So we're dragging it up here. Yeah, something like this. I love it. Alright, so we need to lock it when we're done with it. So let's create a shape, increase the radius 100%, and then drag this up here. Shouldn't be too much. So we're turning the color to a gradient color, this gradient color here, and then we're clicking on OK. Okay, so we drag this up here, reducing the size. So I think it's kind of that F1 is kind of too up. So we bring it down just to have some space, okay? And then drag this one up here. So you go to shadow, enable shadow. So we're turning it to this color. Yeah, we're turning it to this particular color. Click on. So increase the shadow to like maybe 25 or 21. That's okay. And then enable the inner shadow. So we're turning it to, I think, white. Yeah, white. And then we achieve this. This is what we achieve here. So you position it, you make sure it's well positioned. Yeah, so let's write more than. So on this design, we don't use too much font here. Okay, we don't use too much font. So we're using that same font. What's it called? So I want to go to my recent, and then we're using Sino. Yeah, and then you position it up there very well. Alright, so I think we're done on that other side. So we're writing another name, looping, which is let me see. Okay, Lobking. Alright, Lobking. So you turn it to capital letter, and then you drag it down here, increase the size. So we're turning the color to the same color with that particular one, Sino. So on this one, I'm gonna reduce the size a little bit, and then go to line spacing, and then increase it. Hope you understand. Yeah, something like this. I love it. So minus it a little bit, and then go to color. So I'm selecting this only 01 and turning it to red color. Recycle. Alright, so hope you guys are getting it. Alright, so after that, I think we're almost done. So you click on the shapes, increase it to 200%, and then we're turning the gradient to normal one, which is this, and then you reduce the size here, reduce the size. So you turn on uh the shadow. So we're turning it to that color, that same color we used recently. Yeah, this one, to get the effects, and then you copy it. So you use your position. So you drag it down here, click on OK, and then let's write buy now. To reduce the size, and then you just drag it here. Let me drag that one there. Let me increase the size a little bit. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's import the background effect. So I've already downloaded it, and then I'll just paste it. So you drag it here, increase the size. You still increase the size, you make sure it fills the blank, and then you take it to back. Okay, so what you need to do is go to opacity, and then you minus the opacity. Make sure it's well minus. But so I think this is okay this way. So let's share it to PixArt and add some effects there. Alright, so after you reach uh PixArt, you come to sticker. Let me close this. Kind of disturbing me. So you come to recent. I didn't on my I forgot to on my internet connection, but there's no problem though. So you click on this. If you want to get it, you can search smoke. But unless you have this PixArt Pro, alright. So after you position it here, you copy it. So you rotate it carefully. Be very careful at it. Okay. Alright. So we get some effects here. So go to sticker again, and then we're clicking on this one. So it shows that there's no network on my phone, so I need to on my internet connection. So you click on it. So I'll wait for him to load. Alright. So you bring out the update like this, and then returning it to screen. We're multiplying it to we're turning the blending mode to multiply. And then guys, this is what we'll go right now. So I think we have taken a lot of time, so you can take it to Lightroom and then increase the vibrance and other clarity. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on next tutorial.